Welcome to a journey into the fascinating world of robotics, an ever-evolving field that continues to transform our lives in countless ways. From household chores to critical surgical procedures, robots are taking on increasingly complex tasks, reshaping industries, and opening up entirely new possibilities for innovation. Picture a robot. Now let's compare that image to the human body, an intriguing analogy, isn't it? The human body, with its intricate systems and processes, offers a perfect way to understand the workings of a robot. Consider the human senses. Our eyes, ears, skin, tongue, and nose constantly gather information about our surroundings. This is akin to a robot's sensors, which collect data from the environment. These could be cameras, microphones, temperature sensors, or any number of specialized devices designed to perceive specific aspects of the world. These signals, whether from human senses or robotic sensors, need interpretation. In humans, this happens in the brain. In a robot, it's the central processing unit, or CPU, which takes in the raw data, processes it, and makes decisions based on that information. Once the brain or CPU decides on a course of action, it sends signals to execute that decision. In the human body, these signals go to our muscles, causing us to move or react. In a robot, these signals go to actuators, the robot's muscles, which can be motors, pistons, or other mechanisms that create movement. Finally, just as the human heart circulates blood, supplying oxygen and energy to our systems, a robot has a power supply to provide the necessary energy for it to function. And just as all our organs and systems are housed within our bodies, a robot's sensors, CPU, actuators, and power supply are all neatly assembled within its frame. To sum up, a robot is an electromechanical device that senses its environment, processes information, makes decisions, and reacts, all without manual intervention. This video has explored the basics of robotics, drawing parallels between the human body and a robot, and highlighting the key components of a robot: sensors, a CPU, actuators, and a power source. As the world of robotics continues to evolve, these fundamental principles remain at its core, guiding the development of increasingly sophisticated and versatile machines. Whether you're a seasoned robotics enthusiast or just getting started, understanding these basics will provide a solid foundation for your exploration of this exciting field. Thank you for joining this enlightening journey into the world of robotics. So stay curious, keep learning, and always remember, in the realm of robotics, the possibilities are as boundless as your imagination.